Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use this tool. It's a new tool, it's called Objects on Path. What you do is, I've created a bunch of circles here, and you can align them all on the same path, so it doesn't matter, you can do a line, a circle, or just for showing I'm gonna do a spiral. So how you use it is you select all the objects you want to align on whichever path you've chosen, and I've chosen this spiral. Select them all, press on this tool, and then now you have to click on where you want them all to align. So like that, for example, and you can see now they're all aligned on this path. You can also choose the spacing you want, like that. And then you can also use this, the rotate all button down here, and you can rotate it. But now it's a circle, so you won't see them rotating, obviously. But yeah, that's how you use this Object on Path tool. If there's any other questions, just type them below and I will answer them. Have a good day.